do you, George, take Thanh to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I
to
do.
have and to hold?
Sorry.
Sit there while I tell you just how beautiful you look tonight. As if you haven't heard me say it about 100 times. You shake your head and look away.
During my first year at UT, we shared an apartment together. She cooked for me, took care of me, and even put a curfew on me.
My life becomes a darker shade of gray. Hey, hey, and all I wanna do is make you smile. When darkness still ensues, I wanna be alive. Whatever we go through, I'll make it worth your while. 'Cause every minute, every hour, every day, I wanna make you smile.
She has always been there for me and Christy and Amanda and everyone, our whole family. Even if we didn't want her to be there, she continues to always be there for us. And I'm so glad to be here for her on her special day. So George, I hope you know that you are marrying one of the most dependable and caring people that I know. I love you, Jay, and I cannot thank you enough for taking care of me all these years. And I can't think of anyone better than George to take care of you now. So let's raise a glass and drink to the bride and groom.
Whatever we go through, I'll make it worth your while. 'Cause every minute, every hour, every day, I wanna make you smile. Oh, every minute, every hour, every day, I wanna make you smile.
Thanh, I vow to try my best to make you laugh when you are down. I vow to cook delicious mala shangguo whenever you want to eat it, maximum once a week. I vow to give you sensual massages every night after a long days of work.
George, I feel fortunate to find someone who is respectful, easygoing, intelligent, forgiving, cheerful, loving, and much more. I am proud to be your partner. I promise to support your dreams and help you reach your goals. I promise to be a good friend and a caring partner to you. Most of all, I promise to love and cherish you.
I vow to grow old alongside you, with you as my only intimate companion, no matter what hardships and obstacles that life may challenge us with. And together, we will live forever. Oh, wow! Wow, you look great.
You?
It was an ordinary day. Then she walked in and looked my way. With just a glance, yeah, I was sold. My head in disarray. How are ya? How's your night been gone? I said, I'm not that type of guy, you know. But why don't we talk? Yeah, let me buy you a drink. And then she kissed my face, yeah. I'm falling. I was all in. Now I'm running to survive. You got me in overdrive. I'm running, yeah, you've done it. I'm running so fast, you love it. I hope this day it never ends now. Your pretty face has got me in overdrive. After she had me in her grips, then she let go and tossed me in could have been. I want another chance to prove that I could be the one for you. How could you make me feel so good and then do those evil things you do now?